Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious medium over easy eggs. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have a good nonstick pan, about 8 or 10 inches, ready to go. We'll heat that pan over a gentle medium-low heat to ensure everything cooks perfectly and evenly. This initial setup is key for success. Once your pan is perfectly heated, melt 1 tablespoon of butter until it shimmers invitingly. Now, carefully crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan, making sure they have enough space and aren't touching each other. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the whites start to set around the edges, becoming firm, while the beautiful yolk remains wonderfully runny and vibrant. This is the crucial first step. Now for the exciting part, the flip. Gently slide a thin, flexible spatula under each egg, taking extra care not to puncture that delicate yolk. With a quick and confident motion, flip the eggs over to the other side. Let them cook for just an additional 30 to 60 seconds. This brief second cook time ensures the whites are fully set, while the yolk stays beautifully warm and liquid, giving you that perfect medium over easy consistency. And there you have it. Your perfectly cooked medium over easy eggs are ready. Carefully remove them from the pan using your spatula. Don't forget to season them right away with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper to enhance their flavor. Serve these delightful eggs on a piece of crispy toast, alongside some bacon, or with any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy that wonderful, rich, runny yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.